a love that transcends the screen. Kit Connor and Joe Locke story. Kit Connor and Joe Locke first captured hearts worldwide with their portrayal of Nick Nelson and Charlie Spring in the hit series Heartstopper. The on-screen chemistry between the two actors was palpable, creating a love story that resonated deeply with fans. As viewers fell in love with Nick and Charlie's journey, whispers began circulating that the connection between Kit and Joe might extend beyond the realm of fiction. The speculation gained traction as the series wrapped up and the two actors were seen spending more time together, even off-camera. The nature of their relationship became a hot topic across social media platforms, with fans eagerly dissecting every interaction, interview, and social media post. The intrigue grew as fans began to notice subtle signs that Kit and Joe were, in fact, more than just co-stars. Kit Connor, who came out as bisexual, and Joe Locke, who is openly gay, have both been vocal about the importance of LGBTQ representation in media. Their roles in Heartstopper provided a groundbreaking depiction of a tender, queer romance, one that felt authentic and real. The chemistry they shared on screen seemed to mirror a deep connection in real life, sparking rumors that their fictional romance had blossomed into something real. While neither Kit nor Joe publicly confirmed the nature of their relationship for some time, the signs were hard to ignore. Reports from various entertainment sites suggested that the two had become inseparable after filming Wrapped. Their close bond, combined with their support for each other's personal and professional lives, fueled speculation that they were indeed a couple. Fans celebrated the possibility, not just because of their love for the characters of Nick and Charlie, but because of what Kit and Joe represented. In an industry where queer relationships are often hidden or downplayed, Kit and Joe's rumored romance was seen as a beacon of hope and progress. They embodied the idea that love could be celebrated openly, without fear or shame. As more stories emerged, it became clear that Kit and Joe were navigating the complexities of fame together. They supported each other through the challenges of being young, queer actors in the spotlight, and their bond seemed to grow stronger with time. The intrigue surrounding their relationship only deepened as they continued to appear at events together, often sparking rumors with their affectionate behavior. The love story between Kit and Joe, whether real or imagined by fans, has captivated audiences around the world. Their on-screen romance in Heartstopper has transcended into real life, creating a narrative that is both inspiring and heartwarming. As fans continue to root for them, Kit and Joe remain tight-lipped about their personal lives, allowing the mystery and intrigue to linger. Whether they are a real-life couple or simply the closest of friends, one thing is clear: Kit Connor and Joe Locke have formed a connection that has touched the hearts of millions. Their story is a testament to the power of love, both on and off the screen, and a reminder that true connection knows no boundaries. As the world watches, we can only hope that Kit and Joe find the happiness they deserve, whether together or apart. Their journey is one of love, support, and authenticity, and it is a story that will continue to inspire for years to come. As Kit Connor and Joe Locke's story unfolds, fans have continued to speculate and celebrate their relationship, whether it be platonic or romantic. Their ability to maintain privacy while under the public eye only adds to the mystique surrounding them. Both actors have expressed deep appreciation for the overwhelming support they've received from the LGBTQ community and beyond. The impact of their roles in Heartstopper has not only elevated their careers but has also positioned them as icons in the fight for LGBTQ visibility and acceptance. Their portrayals of Nick and Charlie have become emblematic of a new era in queer representation, one that is tender, nuanced, and authentic. Behind the scenes, Kit and Joe have been described by colleagues as having an undeniable connection that translates seamlessly from their real-life friendship into their on-screen chemistry. This connection has been one of the driving forces behind the success of Heartstopper, making the series not just a story of young love, but a celebration of queer identities in all their complexity. Their journey together has been marked by mutual support, both in navigating the challenges of fame and in advocating for causes close to their hearts. The bond they share has become a source of inspiration for many, especially young fans who see themselves reflected in their characters. The authenticity and vulnerability they bring to their roles have helped to break down barriers and foster a greater understanding of queer experiences. As they continue to work on new projects, the intrigue surrounding their relationship shows no signs of waning. Whether they choose to reveal more about their personal lives or keep certain aspects private, their influence on popular culture and the LGBTQ community remains undeniable. Their story serves as a reminder that love, in all its forms, is something to be celebrated and cherished. In the end, whether Kit Connor and Joe Locke are a couple in real life or simply share a profound friendship, their connection has touched the lives of many. Their portrayal of Nick and Charlie has given a voice to those who often feel unseen, and their off-screen bond continues to inspire hope and joy. Whatever the future holds for them, their story is one that will be remembered and celebrated for years to come. And as the world watches, we all wish Kit and Joe nothing but happiness, whether in their careers, their personal lives, or whatever lies ahead. Their journey together, both as actors and as individuals, is one that exemplifies the beauty of connection, the power of love, and the importance of staying true to oneself.